Good morning, everybody, and this is your DAX day trade setups for today. So, not as clear cut as what's going on the S&P at the moment, but the S&P is going to be impacted by some fairly big stock earnings come Tuesday. So, we have a level at 16,622. We did sort of bounce off nowhere, to be honest. If you look left, absolutely no reason to be bouncing off there, but we discussed that yesterday, and we've been looking for some kind of a pullback onto some structure to allow us to get into this move. So right now we've got a rollover of the oscillators, and we're pointing up. We are in between the moving averages, and the faster moving averages have crossed over in a bearish pattern. So I think what we're looking for here is probably going to be a break of the trend line, and that is the trend line, or a break and retest of 16,622. So when we get to the 3 hour, you'll see that bounce off nowhere and then just one-way traffic. We can just fine-tune this level onto this tail at 16,540. That's an area we need to pay attention to. You can see moving averages still very much in a bearish setup, that I'd be a little bit reluctant to chase it. It does look like it's a top if you look at the separation here of the oscillators that's brewing at the moment. And if we drop down to the hour and you smack that like button, you'll see a crossover of the moving averages. We did try and defend the 150 EMA, but we've got above it. And now I am definitely looking for opportunities to buy into this. So this is my first area of 16,540, and that is just a little bit below the 150, granted. So let's just add another bit of structure in here, and that would be 16,585. And in between it, you're going to see something on the 15 minutes. More than likely, there's two levels there. Let's just put the middle one in. And you can see what I'm doing. I'm picking up the fractal, and that would be 16,565. It was defended yesterday, going into the close, but this is a really solid daily green bar here. So I'm definitely looking for opportunities to buy into this. For as long as we're above the 150 EMA on the 15 minute, I'm looking for opportunities to buy. So let's just close off here on the daily, and you can see there, nice juicy engulfing bar, opened on its low, closed on its high, took out 2 previous days of negative gains, negative losses. But anyway, took 2 previous bearish days out of the way. Look at the oscillators. They are well positioned at the moment. This is looking more and more like a flag at the moment. So patience is key. I think break and retest 16,621, or even a pullback to 16,565, 16,500 area would be the area to watch. You're looking for a pin bar, you're looking for an inside bar or an engulfing bar on that level and on the 15-minute chart. And if you see that, your opportunity is to go long and target to the upside. I don't actually think we have clear targets. 16,622 also needs to give away, and that's where we're hovering at the moment. But you know, the next logical target would be 16,663, but there's 2 more. I think that's probably the safest one, which is 16,700. So that's kind of the upside target. So you're looking for an opportunity to jump into this on the pullback. Everything is indicating a potential move higher. Hope that helps, and we will catch up with you on Monday morning. Cheers for now.